Want to go to your favorite folders quickly? Discover how to configure a personalized keyboard shortcut in Windows 11 to access any folder. Navigate to the location of the folder for which you want to create a keyboard shortcut. Right-click on the folder and click on Show More Options. As next, from the context menu that opens up, click on Send To, and then on Desktop, create Shortcut Options. Go to Desktop next and locate the folder. Right-click on it and then click on Properties. In the Properties window, click on the Shortcut tab. As next, click on the Shortcut Key field. Type any number or character that you want to be your shortcut key. Ctrl+Alt will be added automatically by Windows, ahead of the typed character or number. Hit Apply button and then the OK button. That's it. If you now want to open your favorite folder, you just have to press the key combo Ctrl+Alt+. In the example above, for me, the key combo would be Ctrl+Alt+G. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.